Alright, what's up YouTubers? So I'm here real quick showing you a quick video. I have my key for the BMW and it does not activate the doors. This happened after the battery died. We replaced the battery. So what you need to do is program the key. Very simple. Put in the ignition right over here and you step it to one turn. Just where it doesn't light up. Step 2 lights up all the lights. What you're looking for is just for step 1. Just like that, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to put it in. And very quickly, within 1 second, you're going to pull the key back out. So we're going to turn it one step, pull it out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press this and hold. And while holding this, you're going to press the lock button 3 times. So you're going to press this, hold it, the unlock button, and the lock button 3 times simultaneously. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And put it right over here. I'm going to hold the top lock button and press the unlock 3 times. So just want to add one more thing. It's really hard to do it the way I did it, so I put the phone aside, and once again, I held the lock button, I had the unlock button, and while holding the unlock button, I pressed the lock button 1, 2, 3 times. That activated the key back, programmed the key. You might have to do it once or twice to get it going, all right? All right, now that I did that, once again, after putting it in the ignition, I'm gonna run over it real quick, put in the ignition, take it out within 1 second, and you're gonna hold this top button. Now it's locking. All right, so the key's programmed now. I already did it for you guys. As you can see, before it wasn't working, and now it's working. Great. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If this helped you, please subscribe. This helps me greatly. Thank you very much, guys.